If your Spectrum cable box isn't showing the time on its front panel, don't worry, it's a common issue. This usually stems from software glitches, power problems, or incorrect settings. The quickest fix is to power cycle the box, unplug it for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This resolves about 70% of cases by refreshing the internal clock. Next, check the settings. Press the menu button on your Spectrum remote, go to Settings, then General, and finally, Time and Date. Make sure Display Clock on front panel is set to On. If the time is wrong, select Set Automatically to sync with Spectrum's network. For older boxes, especially Gen 1 models, check for firmware updates in Settings, System Info, and Software Update. If these steps don't work, the problem may be related to regional outages or aging hardware. The front panel clock relies on the box's internal system clock and a real-time clock chip to maintain time, even during power outages. It syncs either via coaxial cable or Wi-Fi. Trends in cable box technology are moving away from physical boxes toward app-based viewing, like Roku or Fire TV integrations. Newer Spectrum boxes might not even have a front panel clock to reduce energy consumption. Spectrum plans to discontinue front panel clocks in future Gen 3 boxes, replacing them with voice-activated time queries using Alexa or Google Assistant. AI-driven diagnostics are also emerging, where boxes can self-diagnose clock issues and notify you through app alerts. Keep in mind that if you're still having issues after trying these fixes, it's best to contact Spectrum support directly for more in-depth troubleshooting.